Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the encoding overloaded error in OBS Studio. If your recordings are lagging, skipping frames, or OBS keeps showing the encoding overloaded message, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest fixes that actually work. Let's get started. If you are seeing the encoding overloaded message in OBS Studio, it usually means your computer can't encode your video fast enough while recording or streaming. This is most commonly caused by high CPU usage, demanding game settings, or OBS not having enough system resources. The good news is that you can fix it with a few simple settings. Let's start with the first method. Open OBS Studio. Click Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Advanced tab. Under the General section, look for Process Priority. By default, it's usually set to normal. Change it to high. If high causes your games or other applications to slow down too much, you can use above normal instead. This gives OBS higher priority so your computer allocates more CPU resources to recording and streaming. As a result, OBS is much less likely to become overloaded. Keep in mind that giving OBS a higher priority may slightly reduce game performance or lower end computers because more CPU resources are being reserved for OBS. Now let's move on to the second method. Open Settings again. Go to the Output tab. If your output mode is set to Simple, change it to Advanced. Open the Recording tab. If you are using the X264 encoder, look for CPU usage preset. Choose a faster preset such as Super Fast or Ultra Fast. The faster the preset, the less CPU power OBS needs to encode your video. This is one of the most effective ways to eliminate the encoding overloaded message. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, consider switching the encoder to NVENC instead of X264. If you are using an AMD graphics card, choose the AMD hardware encoder if it's available. Hardware encoders use your graphics card instead of your CPU, which can significantly reduce CPU usage while recording or streaming. If you are still experiencing the problem, try lowering your recording resolution. Open the Video tab. Reduce your output resolution from 1920 into 1080 to 1280 into 720 if needed. You can also reduce the FPS from 60 to 30 FPS. Lowering the resolution and frame rate reduces the amount of work OBS has to process. You should also close unnecessary programs running in the background before recording. Web browsers and other heavy applications can use valuable CPU resources that OBS needs. Finally, make sure you are using the latest version of OBS Studio and keep your graphics drivers up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help prevent encoding issues. After making these changes, start a new recording or stream and see if the warning disappears. In most cases, one or more of these settings will completely fix the problem. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to fix the encoding overloaded error in OBS Studio and improve your recording and streaming performance. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.